Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to log into your Google Photos, and if you have got your Google Photos app, just open it. And if you don't have your app, you can just go and open your source browser. There you need to type .google.com and open this website. And now what you need to do is, after opening your Google Photos, or you can also use your app, you need to tap on sign in button. If you haven't signed in, then you have to choose your Gmail account and select add accounts. And then to ensure your backup, tap on your profile picture like this, and then you have to go on photo setting, and then you have to tap on backup, and then you have to you'll have to toggle on this, and it will start to back up your photos, and it will save to your cloud. And that is how you can log into your Google Photos. I hope this video helps you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.